Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Nicole, or Love Nails Nicole. If you are new, click that subscribe button for me right now. And today's video is some nail mail. Woo! I'm so happy. I feel like I haven't gotten nail mail in super long. So yes, today we got some nail mail. Okay. So these are a couple things that I ordered off of Amazon, and you guys know I've been dabbling in the gel a little bit, and I ordered this before I tried my regular polish with gel top coat video, but I said I was gonna order gel polish anyway. So yeah, so I got me the cutest little kit ever, and pink is my favorite color. Look at this super cute pink bag that I got Modelones in. Okay, amazing price for this. I'll start with this since it's smaller. I wanted to have an extra base coat and top coat and a matte top coat, so I ordered this MOROVAN, which is the same. See the brand here that I've been using, that was for my daughter. This is their nail gel set. It came with 3, so I got a base coat, a matte top coat, and a top coat. And this was only like $4 and like some change, so I couldn't not get this because that was a good price for 3, you know, gel polishes. Oh, I'm opening it backwards. Yep. All right, so let's open it up, take a look at it. Those are pretty, just like the box. See the print on the box. That's how they look. So this is the base coat, and they're 10 ml. This is the matte, no wipe, and I made sure I looked for that. I wanted to make sure it was no wipe. And then this is the regular top coat. So yeah, it was only $4 for these 3, and I got it in about 3 days. It wasn't supposed to come until like the end of this week, so I'm glad it came early. This I'm excited about. So this is Modelones, and it's a kit with a bunch of goodies in it. I have not opened it yet. As you can see, I need to cut this open. Okay. 2 little zippers. Oh, look at all the goodies in here. Oh yeah, in the back, you can see through. I don't like this on there, but I didn't even notice this, y'all, for like, I had this for a couple days now. I only noticed this part, and then I like picked it up to move it, and I flipped it over, and I was like, honey, look, it's see-through on the back. I didn't even flip it over and look. I just assumed it was like, you know, all pink and you couldn't see through it. I never turned it over. Duh. But I like this feature, so you can kind of look in it before you grab your stuff out of it. Gosh, how many pieces did this kit come with? Oh, I forgot. But first thing I pulled out are some cute nail stickers. You guys can see the print. Butterflies, and there's more in here. I think there, yeah. So this is a long thing of the gold ones. What else? Oh, hearts and flowers. Pretty. They almost look like they might glow in the dark or something. All right, let me put these back in here, and then I'll go through the rest. All right, I'm just gonna pull everything out and then go through it after that. So this doesn't have to stay in here. So this is what the package would look like, clear on both sides. And then this shows everything the kit comes with. And it just tells you about gel application removal and the starter kit packing list. So this is everything that I got with it, you guys. I got 6 kinds of solid color gels. I got a base coat and a top coat. I even got a little 6-watt gel nail dryer. There's 2 sets of the gold stickers. Okay, so 2 gold stickers and those 2 neon, so 4 stickers. A nail cleaning brush, cuticle oil, a mini double-sided nail buffer and a mini polish file, a cuticle pusher, and a cuticle trimmer. And y'all will not believe I got all of that for $23. 23 bucks. To me, that was a good price. I don't know. What do y'all think? Leave a comment below. Was that a good price? Y'all know I'm new to this gel stuff, so I just thought all this stuff for 23 bucks was pretty good. So let me know, did I get a good deal on that? Okay, so this cute little bag too, that's actually part of it. So that too came with it. All right. So here's the cute little files. This is so adorable. I've never seen one like this so small. This is like perfect. Oh, so cute. And then another one. So the 2 files and the cuticle trimmer says Modelones on it. And that's the end. So it has a nice cuticle pusher at the end of it as well. The nail cleaning brush, clean the under them nails. And this is a Modelones cuticle revitalizer oil. It is peach, let's see, a blend of peach extract, mango extract, calcium safflower, oil, and vitamins to nourish, moisturize, and protect the cuticles and nails. Brush on your cuticle lightly and massage gently 3 to 4 times a week. You will achieve longer, it says stringer, but I know they meant stronger, and beautiful natural nails. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's cute. So that says Modelones on it. And that's the brush. So is this a twist? Is it coming out yet? Keep going. Nothing yet. There we go. I see it. Okay. Put little dabs. Because I turned it a lot. Go ahead and use some of this right now. See how it smells. I'm not too much a fan of peach, so I hope I can take the scent. When I was pregnant with my daughter, peach, oh, I could not stand the smell. It would make me throw up every time. And to this day, it makes me so nauseated. Let's see. Oh no, I can't smell the peach at all. That's good. Or else I wouldn't use this. If I could smell the peach, this would be given away because I wouldn't be able to take the smell, but I can't smell it at all. So that's good. So I'm happy to have that. I needed some new cuticle oil in my life. Okay, so let's move on to the Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. I'm hoping it's a pink one. They don't have the color marked, so I'm not sure which of these colors, but these are all the different colors that they have here. So let's see what color I got. On the USB cord, and it's a nice flat cord. Okay, and it's not super short looking either, so that's good. Looks like I got pink. I think this is pink. Or is it peach? Let's see. Yeah, it's pink because there's no peach. Yay. So it came with a little instruction manual. This little teeny box is so cute. Here's where the USB goes. Power button. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Okay. So it should open this way. Okay, it doesn't tell me how to open it. But I guess I'm just being too gentle, or do I push? Nope. What am I doing wrong here? I'm gonna chip my polish off. Let's see. Okay, my gosh. I'm gonna have to time lapse or fast forward that for y'all. My goodness, it took me, oh shoot. It took me so long to get these open. These were closed and they're good. Okay, so I finally got it open. The instructions didn't tell you how to open it or anything, but these little things here clamp into here and they were held in there really, really good. So as you guys can see, it has 6 LED bulbs on there. And it says press the button to start for a 45-second cure. Press the button for about 2 seconds for a 60-second cure. So that's how you use it. This is the button. And like I said, how you charge it there. So that's cute. I'm hoping I can fit my toes under there. It's kind of what I wanted to use it for. Barely can fit all nails under it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to, I'll definitely test this out and see how it works, because they sell these separately, I believe. I did see on Amazon. And it's really cute though. It's adorable. Alright, so to what I really, really want to open is the polish. Oh, so I picked these colors, you guys, because like I said, lately I've been into these like really pretty nude, natural looking colors. So this is how they look. Came in this cute little box. Okay, oh, these are so cute. So I'm assuming, all right, so these two, and that's good. It, you know, you could tell the difference with the top. So the top coat has a gold top and the base coat has a silver top. And that's how they look. I love this. They're like little lipsticks. Like, I thought these were so cute. All right, these are the colors I got. This one's so pretty. Do they have names for these? Nope. It just says a number. That's a tough, feels soft, but really pretty. This one is like, it looks black, but it's like a deep purple, you guys can see. I'll swatch these two for you guys in another video. Oh, these are so pretty. This one, it's like a really light tan color. This is pretty. I really like this one. You guys can see. And then these two, my favorite. This one looks like the color I just got, actually. It's pretty, like a rose pink color. And then this one's like a really light, natural, like a pink, I would say. There's nothing that says the actual colors on it that came with it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors and a top and a base coat. So 8 total gel polishes with this kit. 23 bucks, you guys. 23 bucks. 8 polishes, a cuticle oil, 2 small files, cuticle trimmer, nail cleaning brush, a mini LED lamp with the USB cord, some nail art stickers, 4, and a cute little bag. Is that it? Yeah. So all of that, 23 bucks from Amazon. If I do not forget, I will put the link in the description box where I ordered on Amazon for you guys in case you guys are interested. Make sure you guys keep an eye out for the swatch video. I will swatch these next to show you. I also had got my MOROVAN base coat, matte top coat, and regular top coat from Amazon. I will put this link in the description box for you guys as well if you are interested in that also. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the prices. This was like under $5 and $23 for all the Model 1. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked this little mini nail haul, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you guys will know whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.